guys, it's Aligirl131 and 25 liking here.
And today we are going to be decorating Aligirl131's den.
So let's get started.
So what are you planning to put in here? Did you go to Jam Mart Furniture?
I think I'm going to put in all the rest of my plushies, the mani.
Do you want me to give you some cool den items?
Sure, I'll have a look.
Alright. I will
I'm going to put in my trendy pillow. I think I'm just going to go to the Jam Mart.
Hold on, I'm going to give you some items first. If that's
Sure.
okay.
You tried it?
Mm-hmm. Just some things.
You can pick it from me if you like.
No, I'm just going to give you loads of stuff that I don't really need. Do you want a mechanical dragon? Wow. A mechanical dragon?
Oh, what is it?
Okay. Let's go. Alright. Turn down your Animal Jam music, please.
Oh, they are awesome. I'm totally going to keep them. Do you want to try it?
Do you want me to change the wallpaper? Do you like it?
That's fine.
Alright.
Are
I'll
you
give you
happy?
yeah.
Okay.
I'll give you
Ready?
some
Try it.
I will give you some no problem. I will give you some I don't really want that kind of question. I chose the wrong picture. Hold on. Which one did I want? Okay. So, I will give you some fruit. I will give you... Come on.
Yeah, I love this.
Wait, no, don't accept.
I'm just viewing.
Sorry, because one of them is actually in my den at the moment, so I'll give you a
Hi.
I kind of scared you. I guess I scared you. Yeah? Go on. No, don't accept. That's kind of what I did. Oh no, yeah, do accept me.
Cool. Yeah?
Yep. Surprisingly, this has been on for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, whoa, you already put in everything. Jeez. You're very good at decorating dens for a new den. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna pause the video and go somewhere while I'm just gonna go somewhere while Aligirl is decorating her den. So guys, the aim of this, well, it's not really the aim of this video, but like the aim that I'm trying to go for, I'm trying to get a spike for Aligirl, because like we want to be like twins kind of, like with the spikes. So I've been asking her if she wanted mine, but she didn't want them, did you? So I'm going to try to get another spike down. Hopefully some people might.
That dragon is so cool.
Yeah?
This is like... So,
Yeah.
What do you think of my new...
So yeah, guys, I'm just going to be trying to get the spike color. I know that they might not accept, but it's worth a try, isn't it?
I guess so. So at the moment, I'm just putting my trendy pillow there, and I'm doing it.
So you're done, yeah?
Yeah.
But we can't just end up the video now. It's too boring. Probably the color, yep. Common.
There we go.
I wish that you weren't called New Jammer.
I know, it's so annoying because I'm
So
not attacking you.
Like,
Oh yeah, if you guys watching the video want to know my animal name, it's Little Happy Junior.
no, they don't need to know that. All that they need to know is your username. Right?
Okay, just so you know.
Yeah. She's Aligirl131. As you can just like video. So your den's looking pretty good.
Thank you.
Are you gonna add anything? Like, are you gonna go to Jam Mart Furniture?
I will now.
I like it. I like it a lot. Your bookshelf is the wrong way around.
Oh well. I'm just gonna play some games now.
Why are you always playing games though? Hey, best dress. That gives you like the most. Oh, wait, no, get out of it. Get out for a sec. Get out of it for a sec. Just get out of it for a sec. And find best dress, right? And we're going and hopefully we'll get into the same game. The same game.
Oh, yeah.
Best dress.
Hold on a sec.
It's on the second page.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I didn't press it. Shoot. Damn it. I think dragon ones are cool. In here's like all the betas.
Where, in the best dressed?
Yeah, in the best dress.
Yeah, I want every outfit there is in the best dressed.
Why?
I don't know.
It's just you. Look at the raccoon tails. I think that they look so cool.
I want these wings. They're so pretty.
Butterfly wings.
Yeah.
They're like they are rare. They just aren't that rare.
The hula skirt is kind of cool.
Hula skirt. Look in the hat area. There's really cute stuff. Super cute.
Hats. Oh yeah, like the army helmet. That wasn't really cute. Yeah.
No, like there's curlies. Look how cute they are. There's like royal tiaras.
Okay,
look at this.
I'm just
the DJ set.
I'm just leaving now.
No, don't.
I like the propeller.
Don't leave. See if we're in the same game.
Come on, I want to play the
Dude, look at the scary horns. Kind of cute. Yay.
Yes.
Hippiest. We might be in the same. We might be in the same one. Hippiest. What's hippiest?
Do you want to put on the
same outfit?
raccoon tail?
No, put on no tail armor.
Tail armor?
No tail armor.
Okay.
Put on
shoes. What about shoes?
cotton candy shoes.
Or no, camouflage boots. Camouflage boots.
No. Put on a guitar. In the
guitar?
back.
Where is that?
In the back area. And put on the feather boa in the necklace area.
Feather bow? Where?
Put on the
feather bow, yeah.
and then put on the designer glasses in the glasses area. And put on the beanie in the hat area. Where are you? Are you there?
Yeah, that's me.
Hey, we're in the same game! Yeah! So guys, the girl, hold on, do another emoji. Do that. So the girl with the smiley face and the fangs is Aligirl, the bunny.
That looks so awesome.
But you look the exact same as me. So if you look awesome, then I look awesome. The winners. I must be winners. Oh yes, I came second. Oh, you didn't get voted on at all. Oh. So you
got 50.
I don't remember. The winner gets 200. This has been on for 8 minutes, so do you want to end up the video?
Most like a party anyway.
Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. We are going to continue playing this. So wait, go into the hat area. So yeah, guys, bye.